Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make yakisoba. This is my absolutely favorite street food in Japan. Not all places have very good yakisoba, and since I'm not in Japan at the moment and I'm not there anymore, I'm going to make it at home. Let's get started. Here we have the ingredients for our yakisoba. First we will need some noodles. Any type of Japanese or Chinese egg noodles or buckwheat noodles should work. You could also get some egg spaghetti that you can find at the supermarket if you don't have any options from an Asian market. Then important ingredients are moyashi, bean sprouts, carrots, and Chinese cabbage. All, apart from the bean sprouts, should be cut into slices or into juliennes. These are not necessary, you should have at least one, but you could also work with any type of leek or onion, or you could leave them out if necessary. Then another option is to add some pork meat that should be sliced or diced, and it should be quite thin. If you don't want any meat, you could leave it out. Last but not least, we have the garnish. Garnish, we should use some nori, some red ginger pickled, and some bonito flakes or katsuboshi. These are not necessary, so you could leave them out. You could work perfectly well only with the noodles and technically with one of the vegetables or without vegetables at all. So we start by boiling the noodles as it says or states on the package, but we remember to remove them from the water 1 or 2 minutes before the time is up. We want them to be a bit al dente because we're going to stir fry them later on in the pan. Let's get to it. Let's start with the sauce. These are the ingredients that we will need for the sauce. Sake, soy sauce, oyster sauce is not necessary. It's advisable to have it, but if you don't have it or can't find it or don't like it, you can leave it out. Salt and pepper. We will need 2 tablespoons of sake. Three tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And salt and pepper. If you are looking for a sweeter, softer taste, you can add a teaspoon of sugar. If you can't find any of these ingredients, you can also buy already made yakisoba sauce, which usually contains quite a bit of sugar. We start by frying the noodles in sunflower oil or any type of vegetable oil until they are golden brown. It's time to fry in, once again, vegetable oil, the meat and the vegetables, and then we will add the noodles and the sauce. And here we have our finished product. This is the homemade version of yakisoba. I would love for you to try it because it's delicious. And if you would like to send me your creations, I'm always happy to see what you make. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you like more videos like these, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!